probably checking this out on Sunday, January 5th, either lounging on a chair or sprawled out on your bed. How do I know this? The same way I know that the third person you'll see when you hit share and then more has an A in their name. It's all about probability. Now drop a number between 0 and 10 in the comments. I'll give you 3 seconds. Got it? Cool. I'll guess your number at the end of this video. Ever notice a butterfly fluttering near you? Some say it's a loved one who's passed sending you a message. Your phone might be fake. To check comments, type slap in square brackets. If a special emoji pops up, your phone is legit. If not, it's a fake. Shy folks often turn out to be the nicest once you get to know them. Did you know coffee is the second most consumed drink in the world, only after water? Brace yourself. There are tiny parasites living on your face, feasting on dead skin. And here's a cosmic fact. There are more trees on Earth than there are stars in our galaxy. Before I guess your number, double tap the screen for some good luck today and hit that follow button. Your number was 7. Did I get it right? Let me know in the comments.